Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by I Want Drugs.
I want league now, Steve.
It's Kolani from Sizok Jola.
Steve Winjam. Come on, John. Tell Kolani I'm Tashi. I'm Tashi Kolani. Born. Tell cameraman I come something.
Work me luba choke.
Steve, cameraman I come something. Yeah. Exe, mtango, what's you upa ya mategi. Steve, at least. Steve, Sfuna la mali, sfuna la cash. Steve Jam. It's okay, Steve Jam. I'm not. That's because we my friends with Steve. Want to support tayo. Aba subscribe Steve. Ba check about tapes talk, ba khona about tapes, ba check my life about tapes. Again, mina my life Steve, but then ba check TikTok khona Steve. Otherwise Steve uqala kubingelela my fans Steve. Siyabonga bazwakele lana. Support seated. Yeah. I understand. For Maslal today. Sure. For me personally, Steve, not happy with the result. Because of, I think ngokuva abantu bakhuluma estratini, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok nani ukuthi the coach is putting us under pressure. Ayikho lento leyo Steve. I wanna say it Steve, ayikho lento leyo. Coach Rivero started slowly. Yes. I understand some of his cards now. Yeah. Finally got it right. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with Coach Audu. Yeah. Audu. Yeah. If I'm pronouncing right, Salam. There's nothing wrong with him. Each and every team they fight their own battles. You understand? Whether it's financially, whether it's transport, whether it's a player, whether it's coaching. There's always gonna be a battle. Whether nasendlini still. Kata wonga nimdini still laba zeni nabantwana abancane, you know. Mbona abanye beze nabantwana abancane like ncane 1 year still. Was support the Pirates still. Sure. Kudos to like still. We need that. Ngene kimi still. Abange? Ayabangena still. Ay still. Nje? Tapes. Okay, Tapes. Tapes. Yeah, man. No, I'm not Tapes. Oh, you don't say. It's was gonna give me. I was gonna TV still. I was gonna give me. Mamelodi Sundowns like grand still first half. Talking about first half. Two halves. Kulmanga both teams. Sundowns like grand. Kulmanga umdiba even though I'm Kipile mina for me not like grand as a defender. Sure. Kipidu na Nyamupa Nokekan. Even though le coach the combination ikala manje. A recent combination. Coming to East Center, going make sure to block the Pirates. Na you know Allende too slow. Jongo too slow Allende. Coming to the second half, Pirates, we made things simple. Even though Mfukeng was off, I believe if Mfukeng off, we are in Toana, but sometimes we are melange. Kumbu looks like a team. You understand? Because of that jersey, it's big team. It's very big team. Swelebele being good from him. Umremi, si funa combine and jingo. Umremi likes to play in tight spaces of Umbul. Aximuntlo and Gana direct Nkota Loa so Kata Inanan. Ufuna Galama tight spaces. Watch out for Umbule na Lekana Faga. Uchinji came in a place of 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Segas Kulman Amachi to say as long as Saints won and go send down. Even though Azanga an effect inning, but Guba Kona Guakera na Umbata first half played a major role, Steve. Umbata akadlalanga for the past 4 games, but it did very good. Ucimi ukonicima Allende, konile control a little bit of that middle field. Coming up second half, Umbule no Unduli, they knew good Mileba Inzin. Kolmano really Uzamilo pick up Aganani. This game didn't deserve a draw, Steve Mina for me, according to me, because Sishai Pali. It was a one-on-one ya not the ukekano wenza mistake la I think this guy ngumela ifaka umahop one touch lapha yana iphushe kancane phambili umchipe goalkeeper sekalela ngisho umchipe kancane. For me it was supposed to be a 3-2 or 3-3 kumele kube namagoli amaningi for this game because ngikhulumana le ya Sipochana ephantshile naye le shot akafu for umkweni. It was supposed to be, it was something lapha ya. It shows good we have a goalkeeper lapha yana Steve. Thank you for your technical team Steve. Sina I goalkeeper. Ngutshela why ngithi goalkeeper for mina. The goal ingenile kaSibelebele. It's similar kule uSipho ayisave. There's a ungayecheka kahle game. There's a ilona uSipho ayisavile. It was a on shot. You can't stop a shot. It's very good, Steve. But then center back lapha yana Steve unginkinga no demand one CM. We don't have tall defenders and Umbogazi bayamshaya phezulu. I said it last season. Umbogazi akekho mude but then tackling is very good. Mina for mina at least unda akaqale kubuye gaming kancane. Understand, because we need tall defenders. Bayaskawata ngalama corner kicks, free kicks, because we hardly defend those things. Understand? But other than that, Steve ngisi asiqhubekeni silandele teammates Steve sibuye Monday, Wednesday, siyadlala Wednesday. Lalela. Ngilike game siyiqala khona ke.
Tanko Cox.
Show injalo.
Le game yasitela niboshila. Oh.